Lahat yan, pwedeng ma-experience dito lang sa malapit. Hey Lakwatcheras! Tara sa Dingalan Aurora! Join us in this full-day adventure. Magsisimula lahat ng yan dito sa Dingalan Feeder Port. For sure ay maraming beses nyo nang nakita ang lugar na to sa newsfeed nyo. Pwedeng napanood nyo sa ibang travel vloggers, pero this time, kami naman ng mga friends ko ang mag-explore dito. Kailangan nga muna nating sumakay ng bangka para makarating sa ating first destination, ang White Beach. Opa, si ate nyo girl enjoying the view, nagpapaka-see the light for the sky meets the sea, Moana! Pagdating naman namin dito sa White Beach, konting pahinga lang, konting picture-picture para may bagong ma-post sa FB and IG Reels. At itong kasama ko, nandito pa lang kami sa Dingalan, nag-iisip na agad ng bagong destination.
Susunod na naman po namin ang Mount Pinatubo. Malakas po ng Mount Pinatubo, susunod naman po natin ng Mount Ulap.
Ay,
At pagkatapos po nun ay meron na po kami mag-ano na po kami, magpapailan.
ay mag-i-slide na ako.
Next activity ay hiking papuntang view deck para ma-witness ang super trending at famous ngayon na tinatawag nilang Batanes of the East.
Hindi, at least walang bato na ano, matalim.
Tumagay. Sakit na sila. So, kamay.
2 hours later.
Ito na nga, ang highlight ng buong tour. Tara, i-explore natin ang view. Tama nga ang sabi nila, the greatest view comes with the hardest climb. Kulang na lang ay hot coffee para perfect chill na. Syempre, hindi tayo pwedeng bumaba nang walang IG-worthy pictures. Kaya naman, after the breathtaking view from the mountain view deck, i-explore naman natin ang view dito sa baba. Tara, i-enjoy natin ang dagat.
Oy! Hindi ko mahanap. Ano ba?
Pagkatapos mag-swimming, balik na tayo sa cottage para mag-lunch. Grabe tong araw na to. Ang daming ganap. After kumain at konting pahinga, punta naman tayo sa next stop natin.
We both know those moments when all your worries hit again and eat your time. So let's just pretend that it'll work out.
Kahit nga tirik na tirik ang araw, ang mga person parang hindi napapagod. Ang energy naka-Pro Max.
Two hours later.
Guys, saan ba tayo papunta? Parang kahapon pa tayo naglalakad ah.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. A few inches later. Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. 1 eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m. 3 weeks later. Many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight. 2 hours later. Meanwhile, 8:01 p.m. the next day. Later, 20 minutes later. 6 hours later. Several bad puns later. 1 hour later.
And we're here sa Dingalan Adventure Park, wherein itatry namin tong kanilang zipline.
Behind and let loose.
Tapos pag malapit mo dun mama, parang hindi ka lang ng konti. Nailalayo mo yung
No worries on the dance floor. Just let the weight of your shoulders show how much you made of.
yan. Tapos pag malapit na sa tower, liad po kayo ma'am. Testing ito. Yan, ganyan ma'am.
Hindi ako ba? Kuya,
Ano ma'am?
nakasalala yung buhay ko dito.
Yes ma'am, hawak kayo mabuti. Ready na kayo ma'am?
Tonight, let's remember that the past is in the past and it's our
Pwede lumiyad kapag nasa gitna.
Pwede naman ma'am para
time. You won't forget this and definitely not regret your hand in
Sabay na kayo ma'am?
mine. We're letting time pass by for minutes in your mind. At least that we
para lang akong umutot sa ere. Okay, next. Tara naman sa kanilang hanging bridge.
Just you and me here tonight. We can't change the past. Can't take it back. We can learn to let go and let loose. Show your problems out the door and
Parang dami ganap ko dito. Ay, ang happy!
worries on the dance floor.
Hanging bridge naman.
Just let the weight of your shoulders show 'em what you're made of. Right here, right now. Ain't no worries when you let loose. They say forgive and forget, but I don't think I can do that yet. Give it time to think things over, but this shouldn't hurt a spot in my head. All I do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could
Dito ko natatapusin ang video na to. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next Lakwacha.